Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Hbar. So Hbar has been on the move and I thought let's talk about it. So we had a break of a downtrend previously, so this was pretty much the downtrend right here, broke above the downtrend, and of course we went all the way to that target, got a little bit overextended as well, and got rejected at this area where there was a support going on previously, and now it actually turned out to resistance, because you can see support, break down, come up, retest, backtest, got rejected, right? Now for some reason I also feel as if this is gonna be a I don't know, we call this pattern hit and run, I guess. So I think it's almost like a hit and run that it we're actually gonna do a Google here. So let's do hit and run. That's gonna be a pattern, I guess. Hit and run pattern. Let's actually see if I can get it right. Yeah, it's bump and run, not hit and run. More like a bump and run, something like this. So I'm going to show you this image, and I want you to understand this image. So you have a sideways consolidation that happens, because this is exactly what Hbar has been doing right now. I don't have a marker on the screen, but yeah, this leading bearish trend, do you see this little bit of the sideways movement that is happening, is going on the left side here? That is what I noticed, especially on the 1 hour. This pattern is more accurate on the 1 hour. So you have that sideways consolidation, especially like right over here, right? And then you drop down. That is like the bump, right? That is bump, where you can see it bumps down after that consolidation, and then you have this curve coming up, which is exactly what we did here. The curve actually came up like this, and also the bearish trend line in here. So that's what we actually want to do. So we're going to take the trend line, drop in the trend line just like that, and yes, we're still struggling above to get above the trend line itself. Now what we need to see is the following. This is what's left, and that is the run, right? So we need to break above and then come down for that retest. So maybe that's what we're looking for. Maybe just touch a little touch this 0.18 and then come up, run a little bit, retest, and then we're probably good to go to like 0.26. And that's it for this update and a quick comment on this bump and run. If you want to actually enter our private for November as well, we're opened up, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.